Hello! Let me show you how easy it is to animate what your app will look like using some sort of slide deck. What you can do is just make a rendition of your app on one slide, then copy that slide and make minor adjustments to it. Then record a screencast of you going through the slideshow, which you can narrate, and voila, you'll have an animation of your app. Here's an example. Hello, I'm here to talk to you about the new Memory app. Have you ever arrived at the hockey arena to discover that you don't have your hockey gloves? You need to call your wife to come driving down to the arena to bring you one lousy, forgotten glove? Well, those days are over. With the new Memory app, what you can do, if you're packing your hockey bag, you just call up your hockey bag list from the lists of pre-programmed items that you've already put in the Memory app. Go through your various lists, find the list that you want to pack, and bring it up. Displayed in green are all the items already in your bag. Displayed in red are the items that are missing. And so you pack those items, and as they get packed, you have your phone nearby, and they get checked off. Each item getting checked off as you pack it, and any items in red displaying a loud signal that you have forgotten something. So there you go. I hope that makes sense, and I look forward to seeing your animation videos for your apps.